We are so inspired by the work that you did with your TikTok shop and how you were able to grow. Meron ka bang advice or practical tips para sa mga business owners na gusto nilang i-grow din yung business nila online through TikTok?
Kailangan consistent ka talaga.
Okay.
Kasi kung hindi, lulubog, lilitaw, alam mo yon, the algorithm also kasi ni TikTok nag-iiba-iba. So baka mamaya may makasingit na ibang algo doon sa FYP ng mga consumers mo, mawala ka bigla. So consistency at the same time, very kasi today yung change, ang daming nagbabago-bago.
Yeah.
So like, kailangan ready tayo. Kailangan madali tayong mag-adapt.
You know, all successful business people I know say that exact same thing that you're saying, but in different ways, which is kailangan yung adaptability level mo mataas. Kasi nga, if there are only two things that are constant in the world, taxes and change. That's it. Diba? So, kailangan mo talagang matuto as a business owner na ano ba yung nangyayari ngayon.